and lower 70s. Now outside this morning, we are seeing plenty of clouds that are rolling through. 8 o'clock, mostly cloudy, 73. A muggy start. Humidity right now is 94% for many areas. 90 degrees by 3, and we'll see some showers and storms beginning to develop probably after 2 or 3 o'clock. Heavy downpours will be likely in some of those storms later today, and would not be surprised to have more localized flooding once again this afternoon by 9 o'clock, a temperature of 80 degrees. Looking at the storm tracker model is showing a few showers even throughout the morning, but very hit and miss. But once we head into the afternoon, watch how it's not showing it as widespread. By 11 o'clock, a few showers is showing in the low country, but into the afternoon, some heavy downpours will be likely in some areas, but not everyone's going to see rain today. Unlike yesterday, most areas did pick up some heavy downpours yesterday afternoon, and then even into the late afternoon at 5 o'clock, we'll see some heavy downpours. But after 9 o'clock, all that rain will be over with once we head into the evening. Look at the Storm Tracker Live radar. This goes all the way back onto yesterday afternoon. Look at all the heavy rain, plenty of rain reports with flooding conditions. Also, some funnel clouds were reported up into the low country, and you can see lots of lightning strikes. You have that daytime heating. There's those showers and storms that do fire. We had some flooding also in downtown Savannah yesterday. If we could look at that, we had many areas. This is right there at Lathrop that reported quite a bit of flooding conditions. Roads were blocked. And one thing to remember with this, if you see standing water, you do not want to be like this car was here. You want to avoid these areas, turn around. You never know how deep the water is. It may not look very deep, but you could get into it and it can get up to the top of your cars. It'll stall your car out. There's, like I said, Lathrop Avenue there with that heavy rain that came down yesterday that produced quite a bit of rain. And here's those rainfall totals. The average across the area yesterday was about just about 1.5 inches is what we had from Statesboro to Claxton, also Savannah to places like in the low country, also into Richmond Hill as well. Had some heavy rain yesterday. And downtown Savannah, the average about 2.5 inches. And it came down in about an hour to hour and a half. And it was right on time by high tide and just about the time everyone's headed home after work yesterday afternoon. So that caused quite a bit of problems. But for today, will not be as widespread. At least we're starting the morning out nice and dry, so your morning commute looking pretty good. I'd said early in the show, we do have a newly formed tropical depression. This is tropical depression number 2. I see the high cloud tops that representing that dark red, and maximum sustained winds are 35. Not named yet. It has to become a tropical storm before it's named, and it should dissipate before it gets to the islands by Thursday at 2 o'clock. And after Thursday, just be a shower and storm moving across the islands. It does not look like right now that it should strengthen a whole lot. Here's that Storm Tracker 7-day forecast. 92 tomorrow, hot weather Thursday and Friday, mid-90s. Now the weekend forecast making plans for Saturday and Sunday. Scattered storms in the afternoon, highs low to mid-90s.